So I'm Sushmita Alam, and thanks for the introduction. So the three main problems of the industry. The three problems of the industry are: one, to acquire customers and customer retention. The second thing being able to achieve quantum growth in business. A lot of businesses acquire data, but can data actually drive your business growth is the next one. And a lot of companies have a lot of applications. They're all siloed, and that's creating a huge technical debt. So how can we solve these problems? So this is the problem statement, and let's get to the process. So if you walk into one of our offices on a typical day, you will find the agents of change. Our neuroscientists, they're very hardly whacking their brains to mimic how, creating algorithms that can mimic human brain. Then we have our mathematicians who optimize the algorithms to make these super efficient, to make it in a sustainable AI. And we have our physicists who actually engineer features to, again, make completely optimal and efficient algorithms to run. While also we do data processing and building blocks of technology, combining with our domain expertise in the insurance area, delivering solutions that are readily deployable. That's the process. And coming to the solution, the brainchild of that is InsuRAI. What does InsuRAI does? At the core of it is intelligent intake of documents. Documents of different nature: unstructured, structured, and semi-structured. And we have the intelligent broker prioritization. Once the data is in, we can prioritize based on performance monitoring of these brokers and the claims that come through. And that data itself, like I said, can drive your business decisions on your premium pricing policies. Then you can obviously mine your customer sentiment, given that these days everybody is on the social media channels, and you can help mitigate any risk. Then the latest suite we've added is our damage assessment, which means from weather damage you can identify or quantify damage from weather conditions or wear and tear. So InsurAI does more than that. It does claims management and also policy management in addition to all of those. Given that data is the core of how we drive and drive decisions out of it. So with that, we want the way we are disrupting, we want to touch every single pillar in the insurance value chain: the customers, the brokers, insurers, reinsurers, and the claim processors. So for every vertical, we have a solution that can help you augment underwriting, drive business decisions through advanced analytics. With this, we are able to do policy issuance from week to help our organizations who work with us deliver policies from, it was usually taking weeks before, now to hours, and providing a 5x volume boost in the intake and faster settlement of claims. So the top 5 benefits that, like I mentioned, are accelerated conversion and business growth, augmented underwriting. Overall, you're reducing your technical debt and your operating expenses, leading to better accuracy, better customer retention, which goes back to the core of all of this. That I'll start the demo. If you can switch the screen, thank you. So some of the document samples that we have, these are unstructured. So unless we scan from top to bottom, that's why a lot of manual processing is done in this area. So this is truly intelligent in a sense where it's able to detect the context that's present within the document. And for example, it can also route based on the total premium value to the right person based on 100K, it's adding up. Then you have semi-structured documents. It's just not like typical OCR engines usually pick up what's within the cells, but this is really counting those number of cells. It's actually matching whether the numbers and the total quantity add up, right? And it's ingesting that information and populating it. As you can see, there could be sometimes missing information, and this is where data enrichment is very key. So you're able to auto correct some of those spellings. You can triage it in a very seamless way. and everybody knows of these standard accord forms. So again, we data enrich that. We don't wait for the data to come from the customers, because AI is all about learning. So we created a lot of synthetic data to generate the learning that went into ingesting all of this information. What's very cool also is about, like I mentioned, using computer vision algorithms for image analysis. As you can see, some of the roofs here, they get damaged either due to bad weather, or it could be just wear and tear. So the algorithm is able to assess between typical wear and tear and the damage. So with that, I would like to thank you all and visit us at the booth 3452. We are right across there. You can see us. Thank you.